Hello, everyone. On the occasion of Safer Internet Day, I want to take a moment to reflect on something that impacts all of us, our safety in the digital world. As social and media matters, our engagement in the internet ecosystem has always been rooted in one core belief that the internet should be a space of opportunities, learning, and empowerment, not fear, harm, or exclusion. Over the years, our work has focused on strengthening online safety for children, women, and the larger digital community through digital literacy workshops, capacity building programs, safety awareness campaigns, and policy advocacy initiatives. Today, India has 850 million internet users with one of the fastest growing youth user base globally. Children are coming online earlier than ever before, many before the age of 10. However, safety frameworks have not scaled at the same pace. According to NCRB data, cybercrime cases in India have increased significantly in the last 5 years, with crimes against women and children forming a concerning share. Reports of cyber stalking, online harassment, bullying, impersonation, financial scams, they all continue to rise. And global studies further indicate that one in three young people they report cases of cyber harassment. For women, the digital spaces often mirrors offline inequalities from trolling to doxing to tech facilitated gender-based violence. What are we witnessing is clear. Digital access is expanding, but digital safety is struggling to keep pace. And that is why online safety can no longer be viewed as an individual responsibility alone. It is a shared governance responsibility. As users, we must practice safe digital behavior. As parents and educators, we must build digital resilience. As communities, we must refuse to normalize online abuse. And as platforms and policymakers, stronger accountability, reporting systems, and survivor centric framework must be institutionalized. This Safer Internet Day, our call to action is simple yet urgent. Let us move from awareness to advocacy, from policy intent to implementation, from platform growth to platform responsibility. Because a safer internet is not built by technology alone, it is built through collaboration between civil societies, industries, and government. This week and the coming weeks, Social and Media Matters will be at Safer Internet Summit and the AI Impact Summit. Driving this mission, we wish that this year we all are able to bring situations and circumstances to build a digital ecosystem. Let's make the internet a space of possibility and not vulnerability.